Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it once again. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It goes a long way. It is greatly appreciated. Today, I have a shoe that, of course, the influencers or whoever swear they're cool on online that can't dress for nothing to save their life will shame this shoe because they'll say it's not the high, and if you wear these, you're corny, goofy, broke, whatever. I don't care. I buy what I like. I'm a grown man, and no goofball that I've never met in my life that probably can't even dress is gonna tell me what's cool and what's not. So this shoe is cool and it's dope. And I got it online at Snipes USA. They dropped this week, and I think Monday. And the shoe, I went through the checkout process, and it just kept bringing me back to the first step. I'll get all the way to shipping, take me back to the first step. Did that for 20 minutes, kept trying to refresh, and then it ended up throwing me in a queue. And so I just gave up, got out of it. Later on, went back online, went on Twitter, saw Soul Links, posted a link saying that they're back available. Went on there, sat in the queue for maybe 2 minutes, and was able to check out finally of this shoe. This shoe is dope. It is dope. I'm not gonna do an on feet on it because this pair is actually going to a homie online. Shout out to the homie. And I got another pair coming in for myself. I ended up getting two because I had somebody that actually looked out for me on a pair, and then I ended up hitting a pair. So I got two coming in. That one's going out. And so yeah, but this shoe is dope. Like, it's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. This shoe is dope, and let's just go ahead and get to it. Now, one thing about it, it comes in this box. It does not come in the Jordan 1 red and black box. So if you are wondering, if you get a pair like this, don't look weird and think something's fishy. It comes in this box. So don't, just a heads up. As you can see here, the labeling. But yeah, it comes in this box. This is the Jordan 1 Mid Chicago. They call it the white toe or white back or something. I don't know. This is Jordan 1 Mid Chicago, man. That's all I'm calling it. I'm not doing all of it because I know they had a black toe and all that. Jordan 1 Mid Chicago, man. White bottom, red bottom, whatever. But this shoe is dope, man. Come on. This joint is hard. We got to give it the leather test. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's the first thing we got to do with ones, man. We got to give it the leather test. So let's see what we got. Toe box. Actually, the toe box has small tumbles on here. I'm not quite sure if you can see it, but it has small tumbles on the toe box. So that might be a plus. Now, usually Jordan 1 mids are plain across. There's no tumbling, and it's stiff, like hard and stiff. So let's give it the test. Let's see. Okay. A little softness. We got a little softness here. We got a little slight buttery act. It ain't butter, it's margarine. You know what I'm saying? They not buttery, they margarine. We got a little slight margarine going on right here. The side, I can tell the side is a little soft too. And look at that side and see how, because it's tumbled too on the sides, on the mid outside and the outside of the shoe. They both have that tumble and that softness, that margarine. You know what I'm saying? Not that butter, that margarine. And then here at the top, this is soft too. It's like I said, it's not the Jordan 1 high soft, but it's soft. It'll do. So yeah, it got that margarine. It's not butter, but it's margarine. I'll take margarine. I'm okay with margarine. But yeah, these are tough. Like I said, I won't do the review on them, man. It's somebody else's shoes. One of my homies, he was looking for this shoe, and he asked on Twitter if anybody had a 13. So I told him, I'll look out for him on this pair. I got two of them, and no, I didn't charge him resale. That's the homie. Looked out for him. Just give me the shipping. Add shipping to it, and they're yours. So yeah, man, these are nice. These are nice. I'm rocking with these. I like these. These tough. These are tough. I'm rocking them. Black laces. Let me see, do it come with another set of laces? Or does it just come with these laces? Yeah, they just come with the black laces. There's not a pack of laces on here. So it just come with the black laces. Like I said, black box, gold Jumpman logo, so don't be surprised. I've been seeing a few people, man. A friend of mine brought it to my attention. There's a few people out here on their videos on Facebook with Jordan 1 Dior's, and they pulling them out of this box. Fugazi. Fugazi. Now, before I get out of here, man, I also want to talk about the Union pack, the Jordan Union collection that's coming out. Like I said, I wear what I like. I buy what I like. I know a lot of people talking about the 4s. I'm not a fan of them, but I also found out there were 2 more shoes coming out with that collection. You have a Jordan Delta that's coming out, and then you have a Jordan Air Zoom 92 that's coming out. And I'm showing you the picture of that Zoom 92 as I'm speaking. That Zoom 92 is a cop for me. I'm getting that. I'm getting the Zoom 92. I don't care about what the 4 is reselling for, and you can flip it. I want those Zoom 92s. That's what I'm going for. That's what I'm a cop. That's what I like. So that's that. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Hit the like and subscribe button, please. It goes a long way. Greatly appreciated. This video that you're seeing behind me, if you are wondering, this is a vlog I did of, well, this looked like social status now, so it probably went to the next video. But the one before that also was a video I did. I'll put it in the description if you're interested in seeing. I took a tour of the Nike outlet in Round Rock about a year ago, and then I also did a vlog of Nice Kicks in Austin, all in the same day. So you can check that video out. I'll put that link in the description if you want to check that out. And until the next video, you guys be cool.